Hello, this is John here at Significant Trading with our weekly review of stocks and shares on the American stock market and how we can profit from it. Okay, so let us just see what has happened in the past week. Just to say again, just a normal warning that I am not a financial advisor. Anything I'm saying is not going to give you any financial advice. Please do not take it that way. It's just meant to show you what is happening in the markets, and if you are a trader as well or are interested in trading, just shows you that it is possible to create an income stream, extra income stream for that matter, by trading stocks and shares. And today I am going to show you, because of a question I had from one of the people that came to our website asking me that how to make £1,000 or $1,000 in on the stock market. So I'll show you how that works, and also with our strategy, and how quickly that actually can happen without too much stress. Right, so let us just quickly go over to our screen. So this is the stocks and shares, and we have gold going here. Obviously gold is one of the things where we or shares that we are looking at, one of the sectors, industries that we are looking at, commodities, whatever you want to call that. But yes, it's a commodity, and it is currently one of those commodities that people look at, because that is where safe money normally goes to when markets are a little bit troubled. So let us quickly go, and I want to share this one. I'm going to use to show you how to make $1,000 in, and you can make it a pound as well, because obviously if you trade with pounds, but I'm gonna, because this market is marked in dollars, I will because it's American, I will show you it in dollars. So here we go, GD X, and let's go with the J ones. All right, so here we are, the Van Eck Vectors Junior Gold Miners ETF, and it is currently trading at $36. And you also have the other one, the GDX Major Gold Miners, currently trading at $39.94. So here we are, and we can look at how to make your £1,000. I also want to use another one which I currently actually own. Here we go, and we see all at a bit of a dip. That's just what gold did, because that is where people were liquidating some of their assets so that they can cope, and they had to close other items, but gold was easy to liquidate and create money. So but then people got back into the gold. It's now currently on this market here, on this line, and it's busy testing a support line. So how did we make £1,000 in was $1,000 even in this market? Right, so if we look, I have gone back, and basically what we need to do is, if we buy this one at $4.40. Say for instance we buy 100 shares at $4.38. So let us actually, I can buy, let's $4.40. Let's use $4.40, although it does say $4.38 there, doesn't matter. $4.40, and we buy 1,000 shares. So that will put you back £4,400. That's your investment. And we are, so what I have then looked at is when to buy signal. I just want to show where we are now. If you want to buy this one today, then to make £1,000 you need this price to go up to $5.40. So just a little bit off the screen here, $5.40. So basically you need, because you bought 1,000 shares, you need the share price to go up by $1, and then you have made your $1,000. So if we go and see how quickly we made it in this last week, so I look back on my, obviously I don't have the indicators on here that coincide with my strategy. This is just a clean screen and a clean chart. So if I look back, and on the 6th of April, so at the bottom here we can see, down here at the bottom we can see the date. So on the 6th of April we received a, so I'm going to draw a line. Just right, so on the 6th of April, that was a buy signal. Okay, so I actually want to make it a little bit, yeah, there we go. That was a buy signal. And so for that one, so if we bought 1,000 shares on that one, that was $3.78. It needed to go to $4.78. So if you, it was more or less in line with the previous high, but $4.78 would be on that side. So that is what has happened. So $4. $4.78. So and that has happened, and that has given you within from the 6th, and that was the 14th. That was 1 week, and that made you $1,000. That is how easy it is to make $1,000. So that is only one trade. There are, as I can show you, there are, if you go to DRD Gold, it had a similar pattern, so you could have done it on the same one here as well. So if you had two, that would have, it's with, and this is cheap shares. You can obviously, if you only bought 500 shares in 2 shares, that would have made you $1,000 as well. So that is just a way how to make $1,000. So I normally talk in percentages because it just squares it for everybody, because not everybody has the same account size. It's better to, if you're somebody with $1 million in their account, if they increase 25%, or somebody that with $500 account, increase 25%. It's still the same result, but obviously it involves more money. So that is the quick and easy way how to make $1,000 in the stock market buying shares. There are many other ways. You can do it in Forex. It works a little bit different. You can do it in cryptocurrencies. Depends on your platform as well. But just a quick way to show you this is how to make $1,000 or to trade on the London Stock Exchange £1,000 in a very short while. This happened to be in a week. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer than that. I cannot guarantee or tell you how long it will take you, but this is how, if you follow a system, this system has definitely given me a entry signal on the 6th of April, and it has given, I'm still in, it hasn't given me exit signal. I probably will go higher than that, but that is where we are with okay, so let us just so the next video we will discuss more what has happened in the market over the last week, but this is what I just want to show you how to answer Alan, who has contacted me, how to make $1,000 in the stock market. All right, thank you for listening, and thank you for listening and actually doing after listening. All right then, bye bye.